Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you a braid-like hairstyle, and I say braid-like because it's not actually a braid, it just looks like one. So people have called this a mermaid braid or a Rapunzel braid, whatever fits it best, but it's easy, it just takes a little bit. So for this hairstyle you're going to need these rubber bands. I like the ones that are slick and shiny as opposed to the ones that are completely rubber because they get stuck in my hair. These slide out a little bit easier. You're also going to need some kind of clip to help keep your hair out of the way when you're doing parts of it. Okay, so I've already started 2 sections. Okay, I just made my first little section right here after I parted my hair. And then I made 1 section right behind it. Okay, after you have those 2 sections, then you can get started. So the first thing you're going to do is split this top one in half. Okay, just like that. And this second one, you're actually going to put over top of it. Okay, so you can see one piece here, one piece here. Okay, and I'm going to use a clip to hold this hair out of the way. Okay, then you bring these 2 pieces back together and you're going to section off your 3rd section. Okay, and always dirty hair works best for any hairstyle, but obviously if you don't want your hair to be greasy, just spray a little dry shampoo. I've already done that this morning, but this hairstyle pretty much hides everything well. Next, rubber band here, just smooth out the little pieces, and this top one has joined this next section. Okay, you can put it really close to your head. I like to do mine a little far back so I still have a little hair showing. Once you get down to the bottom of your hair, you don't have to wrap the rubber band as many times. But a tighter rubber band is better because it will secure the hairstyle. Alright, I tighten this just a little bit. Now these pieces that are right here, I just pull out just a little bit. And take it. So it looks like a braid. It doesn't have to be perfect right away. You can adjust it later on. Right, so now I'm going to undo, clip, and now this section that I had clipped, I'm going to split this one in half. So you're always going to split your top rubber banded section in half. Just like that. Actually, that one feels a little bit heavier to that side. Okay, so split it in half, and your bottom section will always come up through the middle and be pinned out of the way. Okay? I'm going to grab another section of hair here. Try to keep it as even as possible with these sections. Sometimes it doesn't always work, but that's okay. Okay, get the other hair out of the way. Then I'm going to let this one go. And I'm going to do the same process. Pull this out a little bit on each side. Okay, and this front one, you can even pull out a bit to flatten this one. But see, this one was really poofy before. Now it's laid down since I did that one. Okay, and you're just gonna keep going all the way down. Bottom, and you have the entire top half done. Now you only have two pieces, and obviously you don't have to gather hair anymore. So now you have a top piece and a bottom piece. And remember from earlier, you're always going to split the top piece and put the bottom piece up through it. You're going to do the same thing here. So now this top piece, I'm going to split in half. Pull up my bottom piece and just carefully clip it out of the way. Okay, you'll have your two sections that come down, and then you're just going to put a rubber band around them. I let this come down, then I'm pulling this out on both sides, okay, just to pancake it a little bit, and repeat the process. Top, you're going to split it in half, bottom, going rest of the way down. it all the way to the bottom. I'm probably going to do just one more, but it's going to be out of camera view. So once I do my one more, I'll show you the ending piece. Okay, again, that one a little bit more, I'm splitting my top. Pulling up the bottom, hitting it out of the way. Once I separate this one where I want it to be, okay, you can see that's what my bottom looks like. I still have this much left. Alright, so now I'm going to put a rubber band around the same place I put my last one, but with all of my hair in it. Okay, so I grab it just like that. It's a lot easier to pull my hair out into it, so you can see it. Otherwise, I do it at the bottom of the camera. Okay, and on the last time, I'm just going to pull this through, not all the way, okay, for the bottom. Then you have this little piece left over right here. I'm going to pancake that out just like it was another portion. You can see. Okay, looks just like that. And then this little hair that's hanging back down, I'm just going to tuck it back in, like fold it over to make another loop like this, and tuck it into the rubber band. Do it down here. It's a lot easier to do it at the bottom than to try to do it while I'm holding it up. There we go. Okay. And I still have a little fun piece sticking out there, but that's what the bottom looks like. Okay. And you're done. Be careful when you're taking the rubber bands out not to pull them the entire length of your hair. I actually like to use a letter opener and pull up one piece of the rubber band and cut it that way so then it just comes off. And brush each section of your hair as you're taking it out. Trust me, it's going to be a lot easier. So, here you go. Hope you guys enjoyed.